Ladies, for that classic baby girl look, you should try one of those hairstyles. In this video, I'm going to bring you guys short hairstyle ideas that you can try out that will make you look beautiful and outstanding. Guys, these hairstyles, they're really looking beautiful. Guys, watch this video to the end so that you're going to drop a comment below which of the hairstyles grabbed your attention. From hairstyle number 1 to the end, which of them really grabbed your attention? Which of the hairstyles will you try out? Now look at this very hairstyle, guys. These hairstyles are looking really simple, easy to make, and they are hairstyles that will not even consume your money. They are hairstyles that you can do on a low budget, like friendly budget. They are hairstyles that you can just go, it won't even waste your time. You just go within the twinkle of an eye, you're done making your hairstyle and you're out there looking beautiful and elegant. Guys, let me just allow a slideshow of those hairstyles. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. And ladies, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you're missing out, because I'm going to be dropping beautiful hairstyles ideas and also other things, other trending things that you might want to check out. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Ladies, these hairstyles are speaking volume, and these are hairstyles that you can just rock like an office girl. Like if you're going to work, just imagine these hairstyles on one of your office outfits. Ladies, it's really beautiful.